Yep, the title in the thumbnail says it all. We're gonna step our corn game up and put a little twist on it again. I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey butter baked corn. You're gonna love it. I already know. Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our corn, have some cream cheese here, butter, honey, some dried parsley, some black pepper, smoked paprika, and we have some salt. That's all you're gonna need, guys. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so this is gonna go by real quick, very easy recipe. We're gonna just take our salt, we're gonna add it to our corn like this, take our black pepper, add it here, take our parsley, add it, take half of our paprika, add it there, and we're just gonna get at a mix like this. Just that simple. So now we're just gonna remove our corn here, bring over our baking dish. Now we're gonna take our corn and we're gonna add it to our baking dish, just like this. And we're gonna get that evened out. Just like that. Now we're gonna take our butter, slice it in chunks, and we're just gonna add this to our corn like this. We're gonna come behind that with our cream cheese, fill in those gaps. Next, we're gonna take our honey and we're just gonna drizzle that over our corn like this. So now we're gonna get this in the oven. I've already preheated to 425 degrees. We're gonna stick it in the oven for 45 minutes. Around the 20-minute mark, we're gonna pull it out, give it a good stir, and we're gonna put it back in for the remainder of the time, all right? Let's get it in the oven. All right, guys, so we're about 20 minutes in. We're just gonna give this baby a quick stir. All right, so now we got it mixed fairly well. We're gonna stick it back in our oven for the remaining 25 minutes. We'll come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in here after an additional 25 minutes. Look at what we have. We're gonna give this baby a quick stir like this. Just that simple. We're gonna take a little bit of our paprika, gonna add that here. Give it another stir. We're gonna head over to our cutting board, get this baby plated up for our final presentation. There you have it, guys. Honey buttered baked corn. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control so we do a little taste test. Y'all ready? Let's get to it. All right, we back in here, quality control. Let's bring our honey buttered baked corn to the front of the congregation. Take a look at that. Man, it's still hot too. You see I got this pad up on here. This baby hot. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That baby hot, but it ain't gonna stop me from saying, oh man, This here is good. Now, I love sweet kernel corn. If you like sweet kernel corn, that sweet kernel corn to the next level. Can y'all say that, sweet kernel corn? All right, say it fast 3 times. Sweet kernel corn. Well, I can't do it, man, forget that. Let me get back to that. Till then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, not chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.